When look at the videos of the people who were with Zuma from the beginning, from when he was accused of rape, from when we made him president. I even dropped a tear at the Union Building. And then subsequently, we didn't support him. We're saying Kgalema must be president and all of that. Look at all those people who supported Zuma under those circumstances. Not a single one of them is still with Zuma. So once he uses you, he throws you very far. But there is one person who's always by Zuma, and Zuma has never dropped this person. Is the daughter.
Hi, Basalama Mzito. So yesterday it was announced that Floyd Shibambu has been removed from being Secretary General of MK Party. And guys, it is so sad. One thing about MK members, I don't know whether they know what they want really, because a few weeks back, people they were saying they don't want to Floyd. Floyd has made a party ukuthi be divided into two. But yesterday there were a lot of people who were supporting Floyd and who wanted Floyd, who were very sad that Floyd is no longer a Secretary General of the party. So it is so very surprising. Guti. Yesterday, a lot of people they were for Floyd, but few like a lot of people they were against Floyd. So, Basalam Zito, the reason that made the president or the party to remove Floyd Chibambi from being a part of the Secretary General of the party is because they believe that it was wrong of Floyd to meet the pastor. I don't know whether Yamfanela or he deserved being called a pastor or Bushiri. We know that there were video that were making rounds and a lot of people were not happy. A lot of South Africans were not happy that a high profile political party will be seen working proudly with a fake pastor, someone who scammed a lot of people of South Africa, a lot of poor people, a lot of young girls were scammed by this man. But again, yeah, he was working proudly with Upushiri, and he said he'll never apologize for meeting Upushiri. So that is the reason they are saying MK has received a lot of complaints and a lot of letters complaining about Floyd Chibambu meeting Pastor Bushiri. So guys, let me just put a video the former president and the president here, MK, which is Mr. Gezle Hlekisa Zuma.
To say thank you, gentlemen, for coming. We thought it was important to talk about what has happened in terms of what people were saying. After our SG had visited Malawi, there were quite a number of things that came. We received a lot of letters from, what do you call them? Civil society. Was it the civil society? I doubt. No. Huh? MJC, yes. MJC. They were complaining. There were quite a number of letters that came unhappy. They said a number of things. Because we were busy, this party, Nkondwe was a very, very busy party. So we did not have time to leave what we were doing and jump to say what is happening. So we continued doing our work. They came, I think, almost 3 times worried about this. So we had to feel that if there are people in the country who feel not good about what has happened, without them knowing the details, it was important that we tell the country what has happened and why this, why do we take this decision? Because we have to respect the population, that we are very serious to tell them that they must vote for us, all of them. They must understand. And I'm sure as we sit here, if I look in your eyes, There will be very few who will not vote for Mkhonto Sizwe. So I thought it was important that we should take into account, given the fact that, as you heard in our statement, that there are rules we have, and there were people who were then talking, and we thought we should then have this to alert the country and tell them, even those who have been saying, what is this? Others were talking about how those people or that person in particular in that country, what are the relations with people in the Middle East and everything. And we thought it was important just to clarify the issues, but also respect the people that we say we stand for, and therefore take the decisions that we took. And I think that is closely the matter. And there is no problem. We took the decision on our behalf for our good reasons, which we discussed in our meeting. I heard that other people were asking, what else did we discuss? I mean, it's confidential if we meet. Otherwise, we would always be meeting at a rank where everybody sees and hear what we say. We have taken that decision, and there is nothing wrong. We were just saying this is what's supposed to be. We also had to look at what that has done to our rules, etc. It's as simple as that. The only thing we're doing was to alert the country what we are saying on this one, to close that matter. It's as simple as that. So we thank you very much for coming to be with us. And I don't think we must continue saying.
That is the former president of the country and also a president of the party, that is MK Party, stating why Floyd Shivambu has to be removed as the SG of the party. And I do understand some of the reasons that he's stating. What Floyd Shivambu did, it was very wrong. And I think Floyd Shivambu, he was very arrogant. Because maybe Chinchilama, he was very arrogant. Because you going there and the party shows what you did, it was very wrong, and they are not happy of your behavior, of your actions. Then you saying you'll never say sorry and you'll never be apologetic about you going to meet the person that is we are funing South Africa for not one case, guys, not one case, a lot of cases. Yes, we know that I got Pumi ruling and I got case yakhe, but South Africa unamacala that are ongoing. So I didn't really understand why Floyd is so arrogant. Maybe Floyd has always been arrogant, just that because of Malema he has a way of protecting abantu bakhe, and then because of Malema he has a way of protecting izinto that are happening inside EFF. You'll never hear EFF tour umaliwa mhlawumbe ulwe noSihle, or the disagreement that are happening in the party. You'll never hear them going around. But one thing that I've noticed with President MK, Mr. Gedleyihlekisa, he ngathi akakwazi ukuthi agcina ama-secret we-party, akakwazi wagcina, because even that time he was the president of the country and also a president of ANC. We would hear indaba ze-ANC and we wouldn't know who is that person ohambisa indaba ze-ANC ebantwini. Even now, the same thing that is happening to MK, because the allegations of Floyd being removed as the SG of the party has been going on. Floyd, even though, made a statement, and he, on the interview, he said that allegations they were false, and he never received any letter stating that he will be removed or he must resign. But yeah, a few days after now, the allegations were true. That means there is someone inside the party ohambisa izindaba ze-MK party. And one thing I've noticed, so Floyd failed to obey the laws that he was that were written by her. Angithi kuthiwa some of the laws of MK party zibhalwe wi. So he failed to obey ama-laws lawa yena abhalwe wi. It is so fun. I mean, I think Floyd was very arrogant, and he thought he's the king of EMK just because abuya ku-EFF, and ku-EFF he was very well respected, and a lot of people, they thought EFF is over just because he's no longer the deputy president of the party, and he has resigned with that notice from EFF. So maybe a lot of people, they thought, now I thought EFF will suffer, but again, it showed Floyd has not had no influence on EFF, but again, udestroyile i-political career yakhe. I don't think uzoba a part of any political party. We heard that uFikile Mbalula said yena uFloyd akanandaba naye, and he is saying Fikile Mbalula akamfuni ku-ANC. So yiphi enye iphathi ozongena, because I'm definitely sure ukuthi i-DA sharp ngaye. But bazalwane, so please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.